What is one sentence? What do you tell them?
Noise is loud.
Yeah.
Signals are quiet.
Yeah.
Okay, so if what you're dealing with is really loud, probably not a signal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's the thing. If there's all of this emotion and all these things here, it's probably just noise.
Absolutely.
You know, because I tell people signals are quiet. You know, they don't make a lot of noise. They don't make a lot of sound. You know, they're quiet, and I think that's the thing. So if something's flaring up, it's loud, it's obnoxious, or whatever, it ain't a signal.
Yeah.
A signal is a quiet thing.